Our story begins at dawn, with a ship sailing the calm seas. The pirates are on a quest for a magical treasure, a treasure so mysterious. It's said to be coded by ancient algorithms.
Wow, I love
is
pirate
beautiful.
movies.
But before we dive into the adventure, a treasure awaits you too. If you'd like to learn how this movie is made, subscribe. Tutorials are coming soon, and trust me, they're as golden as pirate movie.
I will get my treasure.
Victorious, they venture into the jungle. A cave is found, and within, a treasure gleams.